In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve Amazon app two-step verification not received. If you're trying to sign in to the Amazon app and the verification code never arrives, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through 3 fixes that are simple and effective. We'll start by confirming your contact details, then refresh the app without losing your data, and finally try a VPN to help the code get through if your network is the issue. First, double check the email address and phone number on your Amazon account. Even a small typo can stop the code from arriving. Make sure the email is spelled correctly with no extra spaces before or after it, and confirm you can actually access that inbox right now. It's also a good idea to look in your junk or spam folder, since automated messages sometimes land there. For your phone number, confirm the full number is correct, including the country code if that applies to you. If your device has any blocking settings for unknown senders, consider whether that might be hiding the message. Once you're confident your details are 100% accurate, try again. Next, offload the Amazon app to refresh it without removing your data. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down and tap General, then scroll again and tap iPhone Storage. Find the Amazon app in the list and tap it. Choose Offload App and confirm by tapping Offload App again. This removes the app itself but keeps your documents and data intact, which can clear out glitches. After that, tap Reinstall App right from the same screen. When it finishes reinstalling, open Amazon and try the verification process again. Finally, enable a VPN to change your internet route, which can help when codes are delayed because of network or regional delivery issues. Open your App Store, search for a reliable VPN app, and install it. Connect to a stable server, ideally one in your region or a nearby location with strong performance. Once connected, return to the Amazon app and request the code again. Switching your connection can bypass temporary routing problems and often gets the message or email through. After following these steps, verifying your contact information, offloading and reinstalling the app, and trying a VPN, you should receive the verification code and be able to sign in smoothly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.